Hey y'all, it's Vince here. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your tire. I'm going to teach you how to put your spare tire onto your car if you catch a flat on the side of the road as a woman with a full set of nails. Stay tuned. Okay, so I do want to let y'all know that when you're changing your tire, if you have a flat tire in the front wheel right here, you want to make sure you take a back tire and put it on your front wheel, so you put your spare tire on the back. The spare tire always goes on the back car. If you put the spare tire on the front, when you're doing your rotating and your wheels and stuff, it will mess up your car. So you want to put the spare tire on the back if you have a flat in the front. You want to take your regular tires and put it on the front tire, and you want to put your spare on the back. Okay. All right, so now we're going to get the spare out the front. So get your spare out. Yeah, I know, y'all, the spare ain't the best looking tire in the world that you want to put on your car, but yeah, it has to go on there when you catch a flat. Most of the time is locked down and secure, so you will have to untwist this little thing so you can get your donut out. There we go. And now we're going to pull the spare out. I got cloths and stuff I use in my car just in case I need it. And don't ask why the back of my car is wet. We're going to figure that out later. So I got my donut out. We're going to take it over here and just set it to the side. There we go. Now, what you want to do is you want to put your car in park. You're going to put your car in park, and we're going to unloosen the lugs or these bolts, whatever they call it, on your car. You want to unloosen them before you start jacking up your car. If you don't know what a jack is, be patient, we'll get to it. All right, we got two things here. We got whatever this thing is to unloosen the lug caps, and we got this is what we're going to use to jack up our car. We're going to unloosen the lug caps first, and we're just going to use this piece right here. It should come by your tire and the spare, well, near your spare, I'm sorry, in the trunk of your car. Every car comes with one. It fits your car and your car only. So now, you want to come over here? Okay. Now, you want to get these on here, and my technique I use is to bounce on it just a little bit. You're going to see me do a little bounce in a second, because you know, as a woman, you need that extra strength to get it off. So I'm gonna show y'all, and you have to be careful. Don't just put all your weight on there, and bounce on it really gently and slowly so you do not strip your screws. Okay, if you do not have a man in present, ladies, this little technique will help. Just be careful. You want to put your foot on there. I use my right foot because I'm more dominant, and I'm just gonna, you know, stand on it and bounce just a tiny bit. Look, see, I'm not putting all my weight, but I'm bouncing. See, it just turned. Okay, so there we go. I loosened that one up a little bit. I'm gonna go to this one. And I'm gonna try to do the same thing. There we go, that one's loose now. Let's try this one. It's very important that you put the parking brake on. Why? Because your tire will move if you don't. See? I unloosened it. Alright, so, oh, I got all my bolts loosened. You just take them out. Man, I'm gonna put my baby in maintenance. Alright, so now, you want to take that other piece I was talking about, right? This one right here. And it works together. See, this goes in here like this, and it's going to twist this thing up, and that's what's going to lift up your car. You would be surprised that this thing holds that heavy ass car, but it does. So yeah, I'm going to take my jacket off because I'm getting hot. Whew. This thing is a little workout now. It will have you hot. Ooh, don't look at my stomach, y'all. I'm trying to fit. All right, so now we're gonna jack up your car. Come over here. And under your car, let me see really quick. Under your car, you'll see a space right here. These things right here. That's what you want to kind of hook this thing up to. So it's going to sit on your car. So you're going to line it up and you're going to lift it up and it'll place on there somehow. Okay? So let's do it. I first like to twist this up a little bit till it get all the way up. Y'all see I'm on my hands and knees, girl. Let me show y'all an easier way if you don't want to get your outfit dirty. You're going to use that nice old coat that you took off or something in your trunk, and you're going to sit on it just like this. All right? And you're going to lift the car up. You can see it? You got to go lower if you can't, because we need them to see what's going on under here. All right, you're going to lift your car up on here. See where it's at? All right, there we go. Now, I'm gonna use this tool right here. I'm gonna lift the car. You wanna go to that wheel, it's not touching the ground no more. You might need to know how to change your own tire as well, girl, when you get bigger. Hopefully they don't got flying cars and stuff by then, because boy, these accidents are crazy. Yeah. Uh-oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, that's because we're on the hill, guys. But it's on there pretty well. If you look down here, I need you to pay attention and look down here. Make sure you see everything. It's still good, y'all. It's not gonna fall off the car. This cannot move. It's not gonna, nothing's gonna hurt it, okay? Okay, come on. Yep. Okay, we're gonna keep twisting them until it's all the way there. FYI, y'all, you do want to try to get to a flat surface if you can. If you're not on top of a hill, try to get to the ground as flat as possible so your car can be as flat as possible when you're doing this jacking. I am on a flat surface with a very, very, very slight hill, but it is okay. I just gotta get my tire all the way off the ground. I don't know how high this thing goes, but it goes, man. And like I said, if your car has a flat on the front of the wheel, on the front of the car, you want to put this tire that's not flat onto the front so you can change the front tire and put the donut on the back, because the donut, again, does not go on the front of the car. Is it off the ground yet?
Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, there it goes. All right, now it's time to put this spare on. You probably wonder how you're going to get the tire off. Let me show you. You're not going to be able to just pull it off like that, okay? You're just not going to be able to. So a man taught me, you use the donut. You use your spare tire. And you want to use all your strength and try to knock it up against this flat tire over here. Like this. There we go. Pop right off. There we go. That thing popped right off for me. And now you have your tire off. There you go. We're just gonna sit that right there. There. Now you want to get your donut. Be careful, girls. Don't break them nails now. And you want to put your donut. How I know which way it goes? Well, this way kind of looks foolish, and you wouldn't be able to really, it just looks crazy trying to line up. Come on this side so you can see what I'm talking about. It just looks crazy trying to line all of this up with this. So you're going to turn it around this way, and now we're going to put it in here. Just like that. Make sure these lugs match up in there like that. There. Now you want to take those screws and you want to put them screws on there. You're not going to tighten them. You're just going to put them on there so they on it, you know. Uh-oh. Just like you screw stuff in the house. Just put it on there. Don't tighten it yet. Because it's a little technique you got to use to tighten it, okay? Alright. So, you got that up there. And now we're going to use this to tighten them. Okay, this is the first one we're tightening. Watch this, guys. This is a little trick. Okay. Don't get it so tight yet. We're gonna skip this one and we're gonna go to this one. This technique I'm using is called the star pattern. Usually when you take that flat tire to the dealership, ladies, the guy's gonna ask you, did you use the star pattern to put that spare on? And then you tell him yes, and he's gonna be like, very good, girl. You know something. You know something. You know? You skip every screw. It's called the star pattern. That's how you do it. You want to twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Just like that. You gonna twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. There we go. And it's not so tight until where the manufacturer put it in there, but it's tight enough. All right, so now you're gonna undo this. Let down your car. I don't know if I'm going up or down at this point. Hold up. Okay, I think I was going the wrong way, guys. Okay, we making a little YouTube video. Hey, thank you. See, ladies, we got it. We got it. We got to know out here. We got to know. And she was so nice to ask me that I need help, because sometimes you don't got no help. You hear me? Teamwork make the dream work.
Almost there.
Almost.
Yep.
Almost. Don't put your finger right there, baby. Okay? That thing is heavy. It will smush you. Is it down?
Yep.
Okay. Now, you just want to use that same star pattern. And you want to tighten these things up. Me personally, as a female, as a woman, I use my feet. I use that little jumping thing I did before because you want to make sure it's tight as a woman. You want to pull it as much as you can and get them things on there as tight as you can, okay? Because, yeah. So you tighten that up and eventually it'll be so tight that you can make it to the car shop and get you a new tire for your flat. You hear me? And y'all can go on about your day. And my friends, this is how you change a tire. And shout outs to my camera girl here. Woo-hoo, Lenny, you did a great job.